Hey, Vinicius Brasil, Santa Clara real estate guy, and I'm here at my latest listing in Laurel Park, 2810 Pruneridge Avenue. So welcome to our virtual open house. I'm gonna walk you through the property and show you the ins and outs of this property. And currently we're right outside. As you can see, we're on Pruneridge Avenue. Some activity out here. One of the nice features I want to point out is just this driveway. The current owners have expanded this driveway to allow more parking and more accessibility into this house. Of course, you've got a 2-car garage as well. And on top of that, it's a very nice pavered driveway, which leads to a walkway to the side yard of your house and also to your front porch. So right over here to my right, you'll see is an enclosed courtyard, giving you a little bit of privacy here. And also this is where the air conditioner condenser is, which is nice because these typically are noisy. There is some noise from the front of the property, so it doesn't really matter if it's out here. And it's a great place to put it as opposed to the back of the house. And if we went over here to the right, we've got this nice walkway which leads to your large side yard. We'll take a look at that later, but let's go inside and take a look. All right, so immediately when you walk in, nice and bright, much quieter than outside, as you can see. We've got this formal entry that splits into a living room here on my left and a formal dining room here on my right. So let's go through the living room real quickly here. I'm just standing in the middle. It's a 360 camera, so you can go ahead and navigate around. The current owners added this sliding glass door right across from me. That's not part of the original construction. That was added later, and that was done with permits. What we've done recently is we upgraded the flooring throughout the house. You're gonna notice this beautiful SPC flooring, which is pretty realistic, looks like hardwood floor, but is very durable and also waterproof. There's also LED lighting throughout the house, and you'll notice there's dual pane windows throughout the house as well. Now, just on the right side of the entry is the dining room. Pretty spacious dining room, connects to the kitchen right over here to my left, and we'll go walk over there right now. So this house, or these models in the Laurel Park neighborhood, were built by Ditz Crane, built in the 70s, which is a little bit unique to Santa Clara because most of Santa Clara construction is going to be around the 50s and 60s. As you can see, this is the original floor plan. It's quite nice. Lots of open spaces. You've got a formal dining room. You've got a large open family room with a kitchen here. And what we did here is we refinished the kitchen cabinets. The owners had previously refaced these cabinets some years back and installed these granite tile countertops. And all we did here is you can see the flooring down below that was changed, refaced the fireplace with reclaimed wood. And we also ran an HDMI power and Ethernet connection behind that TV. So that TV over there does power up. You can see the cross connects just on the right side of that fireplace. So you can put your entertainment there and it can be nice and clean. And take a look. So of course, refrigerator is located there. You've got double ovens, microwave over the cooktop, an electric cooktop, and of course, dishwasher over there just to my right. All right, so to my right over here, we've got the garage. And you know, homes built in the 70s have really comfortable garages. So you can see there's a lot of width on each side of the garage doors. You know, you've got about 2 feet at least on each side. A lot of storage that the owner has installed here. Laundry is also located here in the garage. They've got a water softener system. Immediately to the front of me, you can see the furnace, you can see the water heater, and of course an exit door that leads to the side yard. But a lot of space, somewhat finished, not entirely finished, and of course it's not painted or textured, but it very well could be, and it's up to you. And you can see, I don't know if I'm pointing this out, just right in front of me, down below, right next to the perimeter foundation, you can see that large copper water main coming into the house, which is another nice feature that you're typically not going to find in older construction, right? Here's a sub panel right here. Right here, and this probably controls a lot of the circuitry inside the house. And back to the family room. And let's go take a look at the bedrooms and other parts of the house. So we just finished the west wing of the house, which was mainly the living space and the kitchen. This is on the east side of the house. And you can see we've got 4 bedrooms. So we're gonna briefly walk into each one of these bedrooms. You can see sliding mirror closet in this room. If you need dimensions to these rooms, we do have a floor plan that you can access on the website, 2810pruneridge.com. And right over here is the bathroom. So this bathroom was remodeled by the current owners. It's pretty nicely done. You can see the tile surround, new vanity, nice porcelain tile flooring, lighting, and a shaker style vanity right here. Very nicely done, pretty stylish. And right over here, now here's the second guest bedroom. I would say it's pretty comparable to the one that we just came into. Sliding door closets over here. Now, one of the nice things that you don't really notice that now this house or this room is on the east side of the property, and on the east side of the property, it borders Kylie. And Kylie does get a fair amount of traffic, but you've got such a large side yard over here that you really don't notice it. It's fairly quiet inside. So it's pretty nice. I didn't measure it, but I'm guessing there's probably at least 30 to 35 feet from here to Kylie. All right, and then this is the last of the guest bedrooms. My guess is this is the smallest of the 3. And if you want dimensions, you can access our Matterport floor plan. This one doesn't have a sliding door closet. It has just a swinging door closet. And of course, window looking over the backyard. And then this is our master bedroom. So master bedroom is quite spacious. It's got its own sliding door to the backyard and off the backyard deck. And another neat thing is it's got his and hers closets. One is smaller than the other, so I'm assuming this would be his, that would be hers. And over here is where you can see a dual vanity. We recently refinished the vanity and added some new hardware. There's some new faucets here. And here is where the shower and commode are. You can see a nice stall shower with a nice frameless glass door here. And take a look at these closets as well. See for yourself the space. And I'm just gonna walk over here to the master bedroom. You can kind of take a look. It's pretty spacious. This is a king size bed. So you can kind of get an idea of the dimensions of this room. Very comfortable. You've got a lot of foot space over here as well. Got some large side tables. And then access to the backyard. So immediately forward or in front of me is west. To the right of me is north. To the left of me is south, and behind me is east, just to orient you in the right direction. So the front door is facing northward. This door over here to my right, that's the sliding glass door off the family room. And you can kind of take a look. It's got a very wide backyard. Now, if this looks a little bit strange to you, it's because there was a pool here. The current owners filled this pool in 2019. They did do it with permits. So there should be no issues with drainage here. You've got a large side yard on both sides of the property. The eastern side of the property is much larger, but still you've got quite a lot of space between you and the neighbor. You've got a nice shed over there. I don't have the dimensions of that shed, but I'm guessing it around 10 by 10. And we'll just kind of walk over here now. Now, this is the side yard I was referring to before. It's segmented from the house. It's just kind of closed off here. And I mean, there's a lot of possibilities here. I mean, there's potential that you can put an ADU out here. This could be, a batting cage, maybe a cricket cage, if that's something that exists. But a lot of space here for a playground set or anything, maybe even a garden as well. You've got a large redwood tree here as well that provides a lot of nice shade. There is already some irrigation here. that you can see the irrigation valves to my left, right? And you can see the space here. I don't have it measured, but I'm guessing this is at least 30 to 35 feet. And on the other side of this fence is the sidewalk, and then of course, Kylie. And you can see another nice redwood tree right in front of us. Kind of give you some perspective on the size of this yard. And of course, sliding glass door to the front of me that leads to your formal living room, right? So let's walk on back. You can see your deck right over here. There's a little nook right over here. If you really wanted to, you could push your kitchen out over here. You've got some overhang here. The only challenge is you will be covering up some of this window, so you might have to shove that window a little bit more to give that room some egress. And going back into our family room. So coming out the master bedroom, coming into the family room, and that's it. That's it for the tour of the house. It's about 1,800 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, roughly about a 12,000 square foot lot. And of course, the main thing about this house is its Cupertino schools. If you've got any questions about this house or need some extra photos, Matterport floor plan, you can access it at 2810 Pruneridge.com. If you'd like to schedule a personal tour or showings of this house, go ahead and contact me directly at vbrasil@thebrazilgroup.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.